breath is a new moment. You do not have to wait to the first of the year, because usually we have motivation waves. Oh, the first of the year, I'm going to do this. And then like 3 weeks in, you fall out, right? We're human. What I recommend is really grieving the past or letting it go so that it doesn't creep into you. Have some sort of ceremony. I'm going to take 2 hours and just reflect on that past chapter. What did I learn from it? What was the hardest? What do I not want to repeat again? If we try to escape the past, it's going to rear its head in a new boss, a new person, because you didn't learn your lesson. You didn't grow. So when you start this new chapter, really put the past in the past. No more bringing it into the future. No comparing. It's done. And when you've done that, awaken your inner childlike wonder. Remember when you were younger and you didn't care, you just played all day. We lose that as adults because we're afraid to get hurt. We've been hurt. So we shut down, our heart shuts down. We lose that sense of, you know what? I don't care what happens. And it's going to be amazing no matter what. We got to tell ourselves this because no one else is going to tell us that. You can embrace this new chapter as, you know what? I don't care, but it's going to be fun. I'm going to learn. It's going to be exciting. There's that fearlessness and no attachment to the outcome. Go on a negativity cleanse when you start this new chapter. Just have like 3 guidelines or boundaries. Like, I'm going to stay off social media for this long. That's an example. I'm going to have a gratitude journal just to keep my mind focused on what's good. Just 3 easy things, because this new chapter, I'm the author and it's going to be amazing no matter what. All right. So I'm excited for your next chapter.